my hand an IP65 waterproof electrical junction box. The dimensions on this is the overall length is 300 millimeters. It has a width of 250 millimeters, and the depth on it is 120 millimeters. Okay. So what I have done with this Phillips screwdriver here is I've just removed the 4 screws that are at the 4 corners here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the lid here now. So the first thing I'm going to show here is there's a rubber that runs all the way around the outside of the box. And the significance of that is if we screw the screws down tightly, it gives that waterproof seal all the way around. Okay, so that's how it gets its IP65 rating. So if we come along and look at the overall unit here, we can see a whole series of holes that can be used for mounting this and also for screwing units directly into this. There's little raised areas where we can actually screw something in if we wanted to hold the power unit or something like that internally into it. If we look on the side of the unit, we have a total of 3 holes here, and this is replicated on all 4 sides of the unit. If we look internally, we can see that it hasn't gone all the way through. So what basically they've done there is they've just etched it out so we can come along here and we can knock through this unit if we wanted to run a cable. We can knock through the smaller hole or the larger hole here depending on our requirements. To give you an idea of the applications of it, well, it's a pretty general application in terms of the electrical or the CCTV industry. One demonstration I'm quickly going to give here, so we come along and we want to put in an outdoor, we'll say, 6-way ganger in this case. We could drop it inside. We could obviously knock out one of the outside holes here to run this directly in, or drill a hole directly through it. And if we come along, and in this case it's a 1 amp power unit, I think. If we come along, we mounted it here. We've lots of room to come along here and actually screw the lid back on securely. So it's quite flexible there. We have a lot of different sizes inside our range of electrical junction boxes. This is one of the larger ones. We have much smaller ones that are suitable just for cable, for joining cables, etc. But obviously a larger unit like this is ideal, we'll say, for something like a junction that I've just shown there now. So that's it anyway, an overview of the IP65 rated waterproof electrical junction box. The sizes on this again is 300 by 250 by 120 millimeters.